Hello, seventh grade. It is about week 8 of our quarantine, and we're moving into week 2 of our ecosystem, or unit 6, I should say, because week 1 of unit 6 we used to finish up our human body unit, and now we're actually jumping into ecosystems. So you can check your resources folder. We've got our new Flixbook in there, so it's ready for you there, and we are going to jump into week 2. So today, Monday, our job is to check out chapter 1 of the Flexbook. Let's take a look at the Flexbook. So what you're going to do is chapter 1 is going to be Introduction to Ecology. Chapter 2 is Communities and Ecosystems. And chapter 3 is Ecosystem Dynamics. So our job today is to read chapter 1, and down at the bottom of chapter 1, you can see, it's actually on each of the chapters, there's this button that says View Practice. You're going to click on that, and that's going to open up a quiz for you. Everybody's quiz will be a little bit different, so go through the quiz, and then your mission for today is to join the discussion post, and your discussion post will be your last question and the answer to that question. So simple enough. Read the chapter, do the quiz, and then post a discussion post with your last question and the answer to that question. So now let's take a look at what's going to happen the rest of the week. Most of this unit, our ecosystem unit, is going to be focused on doing an ecosystem project. So tomorrow we're going to have a live session at 11 o'clock. We're going to meet and we're going to talk about the ecosystem project. If you can't make it, don't worry. I'm going to post a video tomorrow that will go over a lot of what we go over during that online session. So let's take a look at a little closer at what the ecosystem project looks like. This is the overview. We're going to be focusing on California ecosystems. You can see there's a lot of information. Don't stress out now. We'll go over it tomorrow. There are 8 different ecosystem opportunities for you, and we will talk about those in more detail later. So that is what you're doing on Tuesdays. We're going to just do a quick introduction. On Wednesday, I want you to meet with your homeschool teacher, and we're going to do a little sign-off. Your assignment there is just to get your homeschool teacher to sign off that they've seen the project and that they understand what you're going to be doing for the rest of this unit. So you'll sign that off and turn that in for me. On Thursday, what you're going to be doing is start taking a look at some of those ecosystems and select. Maybe let's start by narrowing the 8 down to 3 that you're considering. And then on Friday, we're going to jump into chapter 2. So chapter 2, going to do just like we did for chapter 1. Read the chapter, do the quiz, post the discussion post of your last question and the answer. I hope everyone has a great week, and hopefully this quarantine will end soon and we'll all be able to get back together and we won't have to wear masks and we can get back to normal. So everybody, hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye.